Today I bring before you not a DIY as I mentioned earlier, but a beautiful flower just known for its ornamental purposes. Really a stunning looking flower which is called the Scadoxus multiflorus. I repeat, Scadoxus, SCA, that's how it is. Multiflorus. Wow, it sounds really grand, doesn't it? Just as grand as the flower. Now, this flower, if I would go a little more scientific, it is an inflorescence of so many flowers. It's not one single flower, but there are so many flowers, just like the ixora. So all these flowers, they group together to produce such a beautiful effect. That is why it is called a football lily, because of its roundness. It is also called the bloody lily because of its blood red color. And you see the bulb here. Yes, so that is how it grows. So now it grows once a year, and only one flower grows from a single bulb, and that's the end of it. It stands it is on display for around 5 to 6 days, and then it wilts away with simply the foliage, the green foliage. And these bulbs, once this green foliage grows, please friends remember not to cut them down. You might think, we have to prune them back or anything. No, never do that, because these green foliage, the green leaves, help in making food for the plant, for the bulb. The bulb gets bigger. It produces, if I may say so, bulblets, which you can actually separate and grow into individual plants. These are the standard rules which have, well-drained soil, and I don't add any fertilizer to it, because it grows somewhere in the month of March. It lasts the entire rainy season, the monsoon, with such brilliant foliage. It grows probably at 2 feet, 1.5, 2 feet in height, and then it slowly dies away. So that is the time when you need to put them away and stop watering them. Some also remove the bulbs from the soil and store them in a dry place. But well, I don't do that. I just let them be wherever they are. And they do produce all the multiple bulblets. They produce individual plants in the pot itself. You can see here so many plants growing. And these, you can just put them away in a corner, the pots in its entirety, and stop watering them. And by the time, it's March again, the next year, we can slowly start and then watering them, and you can see that the leaves will start sprouting from the bulbs. So it's such a beautiful plant. It needs full sunlight. It will not grow if you put it in a shade. I have one of the bulbs in some shady location in my garden, and it is still not sprouted. It needs complete sunlight to grow, full sunlight. And such a beautiful plant, commonly known as the football lily or bloody lily, or in a grander name it's got botanically the Scadoxus multiflorus. So that is it about this lily. And as I said before, friends, this is good enough information. It doesn't need any more fertilizer or any such thing. It simply grows and grows when the season comes. And well, that is a plant which is suitable for a lot of us. Least maintenance, least care. But yes, a proper care is needed. That is, don't cut off the leaves. Just put it away. The leaves rot on its own, and they will grow back once in March or April. That's the time they grow back. So that's it, friends, about this plant. A lovely plant, a very ornamental plant. It can be planted along the borders where you have a row of such football lilies growing. It gives a stunning look to the garden. Bye, friends. That's it. And share, like, subscribe, the routine. Thanks. And hopefully I will come back with a DIY, a very interesting DIY, friends. So look out for my next video. Bye-bye.